Hi everyone, Soundvision 3.4 is here. Let's have a look at what's new in this version. We have modified the 3D scene interactions for easier navigation of your designs. Zooming now focuses on the position of the mouse cursor. Rotation of the scene now uses the center of the 3D scene window as the point of rotation, not the Soundvision origin. This means you can focus on any part of the venue, like here at front of house, and rotate the model around this location easily. You will find that these improvements present a more natural approach to navigating your drawings. We've added 3 quick navigation shortcuts. Simply press T for top, F for front, or S for side. You can now look around from a position by pressing and holding the Alt key while dragging the mouse cursor. You can easily look around in 3 dimensions, as if you were standing in the venue. This modifies only the side and azimuth angles, and not the camera coordinates. Also new to Soundvision 3.4 is the introduction of the camera toolbox. This is a great way to set up multiple different views for your design with great accuracy. Simply press on the camera icon to open the toolbox. From here, you can add a camera. Now you can navigate your 3D scene and at any time click on this camera to return to the view. Clicking the padlock icon to unlock the camera allows you to update the position using the 3D scene window. Click on the padlock again to lock the camera. Another feature we have integrated in the camera toolbox is the ability to specify a vertical angle of view. This allows you to create more artistic images for reports, or to match the Soundvision view with that of a real camera. Mac users will be happy to know that our ecosystem of software, NA Network Manager and Soundvision, now supports Big Sur. Soundvision 3.4 is available to download now on the L-Acoustics website.